સ્વાગત છે ડ્રાફ્ટ એન્ડ મિકેનિકલના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ટ્રેનિસ. આજે આપણે MCQ જોઈશું થર્ડ એન્ડ ફોર્થ સ્ટેપ માટે એક્ઝામ માટે, જે આવનારી એક્ઝામ છે CBT એક્ઝામ. ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન, વિચ કમાન્ડ ડુ યુ ક્લિક ફોર ડ્રોઈંગ લાઇન ઇન AutoCAD? ઓપ્શન B, line. Second, from which menu bar do you get line command? Option C, draw. Next question, what is the icon of line command? Option A. Next, fourth, which option is command do you have to pick for creating a circle based on two end points of the diameter? Option A આવશે 2P. Next, which keystroke do you type to circle? Use circle command. Option B, C, and it is a shortcut of C. Sixth, what is the icon for circle command? Its option is option A, icon. It's shown in figure. Question 7, what do you mean by SCR in arc command? Option A, start and radius. Next question, which command do you use to draw this figure? So this figure, and answer is option A, 3 points. Next question, students, what is the option of arc command? Point A and B are known. Option D, start and angle. The figure is in your question, and answer is option D. Next, question number 10, which menu bar has erase command in AutoCAD? Option B, modify. Next, what is the keystroke for erase command in AutoCAD? Option E. Option B, it's capital E. Next, selecting erase command, what prompt is arise in AutoCAD command bar? Its answer is select objects. Option B. Next, 13, what is the shortcut key for undo command in AutoCAD? Its answer is Ctrl plus Z. Option B. Next, what menu tab has undo command in AutoCAD? Answer is C, edit. What is the alternative command of undo? Question option A, redo. Next, from which menu tab do you find break command in AutoCAD? Option D, modify. Next, what is the keystroke for break command? Option B, BR. Why do we use break command in AutoCAD? Its answer is to split the object into two parts. Next question, what is the shortcut key for next what is the shortcut key for undo command in AutoCAD? Its answer is Ctrl plus Z. Next, which is menu as tab has undo command in AutoCAD? Edit. Answer is edit. Next question, why do we use break command in AutoCAD? Split into object parts. Next question, what is the shortcut key for move command in AutoCAD? Option B, M. Next, in which tool do you find move command in AutoCAD? Option C, modify. Next, what is the keystroke by copy command in AutoCAD? Option D, CEO. What is the application of copy command in AutoCAD? Its answer is option A, multiplication of identical objects on the target points. Next question, trim command in AutoCAD is required for answer is modifying objects. Next, what is the shortcut key for trim command? It's first option TR. Next, what is symbol of trim command in AutoCAD? Option C. It is the figure of option C. Next, which command do you use to draw parallel lines in specific distance? Its option is offset. Okay. What is fillet command? The fillet command's option is A, rounding the sharp edge. Okay, option A. What is the shortcut key for fillet command? Its option is C, capital F. Next, which drop down menu contain fillet command? Its option is modify, option C. Next, what is command prompt of chamfer? Chamfer command prompt its option is option B, CHA. Next, why do you use chamfer command? To bevel the sharp center of object. Option A. Next, what is the icon of chamfer in toolbar? Chamfer in toolbar. Its option and icon is option C. See the figure of option C. It's icon of chamfer toolbar. What is the command prompt of rotate? It's option C, RO, capital RO. Next, what is the shortcut command of scale? It's option A, SC, capital SC. Next question, tennis. Which command do you use for enlarging any drawing? Option B, scale. Next, which command is represented by the given symbol? Its option is option C, scale. Show the figure in your question, square in square. Its option is C, scale. Next question, tennis. Which command is used in AutoCAD as block drawing? Option B, BLOCK, block. Next, which command prompt is used for insert block? Its answer is option B, I. Next, what is the basic use of I block or block? It's for reusable contents. It's reusable content. For reusable contents. Option A. Its answer is option A. Which menu bar contains block commands? Its option is C. The answer is option A. I didn't mark it, so option A, insert. Okay. Next, what is the shortcut key to make block command? Option B. Answer is B and option is B. Which command is used after making the required object to make block? Option B, BLOCK, block. Next, which command panel contains H command? It's draw command. Option B. Next, what is the shortcut of H command? The shortcut of H command is H. Next, what is the use of H command? Its answer is option B, to fill an enclosed area with a pattern. Next question, what is the icon of H command in toolbar? Next, show the figure in option C. It's the icon of H toolbar. Next, in which command window do you find gradient? Option B, H. Next, which command window contains patterns? Its option is H and gradient. Next question, what is the application of array command in AutoCAD? Its option is A, contributed copies of selected object in rectangular or circular pattern. Next question, how many types of array command are there in AutoCAD? It's option C, 3 commands. Next, what is polar array? Its option is A, to make multiple copies of an object in circular pattern. Next question, which command panel contains array command? It's a modify command panel. Option A. Next, what is main advantage of using array command? Option A. It allows you to copy objects in a definite angle and exact number of copy. Next, what is shortcut of array command? It is the B option, AR. Next, what is a template in AutoCAD? A file that is already set up for specific application is a template. Option A, its answer. Next, a selected template file open in AutoCAD. Its option is option B, layout space. Next, which command is used for opening a template? Its answer is A, new. Next, what do you click to create a new layer? Its option is A, layer properties. To make layer, to go for layers properties. Next, how do you layer help? How do layers help? Its option is C, layers allow to easy control and edit property of group of objects. Next, which pull down menu contains layer? It is the format. Okay, option A. What do you find in layer dialog box among the followings? Its option is line type. Next, which sign should you click to disappear the layer from the screen in layer dialog box? Its option is on bulb sign. Okay, option B. What is the shortcut command of layer? LA. It is the option command option A for layer. What do you mean by dim liner command? To draw a linear dimension. Option A. Next, what is the command of dimension edit? It's a dimension edit. DIM edit. EDIT. Option C. Its answer is option C. Next, what is the command of dimension for radius of circle or arcs? It's dim radius. Option C. Next one, what command is used for doing on dimension style? It is dim style. Option B. Next, what is the symbol of continue dimensioning? Its option is shown in option B's figure. Look at the option B's figure. Option B, its answer for continue dimensioning. Next, what do you understand by the giving symbol? Show the figure in your question. Its answer is dimension text edit. Okay. Next, which one of these options palettes is found in modifying dimension style dialog box? It's primary units. Option A. Next, what will be the command prompt to create new dimension style? It's DDIM. Option A. Next, what do you understand by this figure in dimensioning? So the figure of dimension arrow and its answer is option A, leader. Next, what do you mean by 3D? What is the meaning or what do you mean by 3D? Its answer is 3 dimension. In figure show 3 dimension, it's called 3 dimension. Next, what is the advantage of 3D? Its option is B, helps to conceptual design. Next, which toolbar do you click on the AutoCAD window for 3D drawing environment? Its option is workspace. Option C. Next, which command panel ribbon contains 3D primitives in 3D modeling drawing space in AutoCAD? Its answer is solid. Option B. What do you understand by the figure A in 3D primitives? Its answer is cylinder. Next question. Which one is 3D primitives command among this option? Its answer is cone. 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 Option D. Next, which is the shortcut of extrude command? Its option is EXT. Option C. Next, in which direction height of extrusion is measured? Z direction. Next, option C. Its answer is option C. What is the shortcut of revolve command? REV. Option C, its answer. Next one. Why does the revolve command is used? Option A, to create a solid model. Next question. What is the full form of UCS? It's a full form of UCS, User Coordinate System. Option B. Next, default origin of UCS is WORLD word. Option A. In which command panel do you find 3D rotate? Option A, modify. Next, what is the use 3D rotate command? It helps to rotate 3D objects. Answer A. Option A. Which ribbon is combined with plot command in AutoCAD window? Option B, output. Next, what's its shortcut of print command? Control plus P. Option C, its answer. What is full preview? Answer is option A, preview that print after plot setting. Next, which command dialog box contain preview command? Its answer is option A, plot. Thank you, trainees. I hope it is help for your next CBT exam for successful completing exam. Thank you.